New M33 Pro Drone, your ultimate foldable aerial photography companion. The M33 Pro Drone is a versatile and advanced foldable quadcopter designed for aerial enthusiasts and beginners alike. With its 4K wide-angle HD camera and Wi-Fi FPV capabilities, you can capture stunning images and videos in real time from above. Key features: 4K HD camera. Capture crystal clear photos and videos with its wide-angle lens. Perfect for aerial photography and FPV streaming. Height hold. Equipped with an altitude hold feature for steady flight, ensuring smoother shots and easier control. Foldable design. Compact and portable, the drone folds into a manageable size, making it easy to store and carry. Wi-Fi FPV real-time transmission. Enjoy seamless live streaming directly to your smartphone, allowing you to see what the drone sees in real time. Powerful flight system. Features optical flow hovering and obstacle avoidance for precision control and safe operation. Long battery life. Boasts approximately 30 minutes of flight time per charge, with a charging duration of around 2 hours. Flight range. Operates on a 2.4G signal with an approximate range of 300 meters, giving you ample space to explore. User-friendly controls. Functions include headless mode, one-key takeoff or landing, and intuitive navigation, making it beginner-friendly. Perfect gift choice. Comes with a high-end portable storage bag for added convenience, ideal for gifting to kids, hobbyists, or drone enthusiasts. Product specifications. Folding size: 13 by 13 by 7.5 centimeters. Expanded size: 30 by 30 by 7.5 centimeters. Flight system: optical flow hovering, obstacle avoidance, and brushless motor technology. Signals distance: 2.4G, approximately 300 meters. Camera lens: 4K electrically adjustable triple camera. The M33 Pro Drone combines portability, advanced photography features, and powerful flight performance, making it a must-have for capturing breathtaking aerial shots. Whether for professional use or as a fun toy, this drone is the perfect companion for every adventure.